hub. Next, create repository. Create repository. Name. What's the name we decided to take? FS903 repo. SS903 repo create. This is done now, guys. Okay. After this, what is the story? Create a tag name. What is there? Create a tag name. What is the command I'm going to use for a tag name, guys? Come on, everyone. What is the command name? Natraz. Acha, I don't know what is the username in this screen. In this username screen is what? Natraz. Username is Natraz only. We logged in with what? Natraz. Yes or no? Na? We logged in with what? Natraz. Next one. Repo name. What is there? FS903. Repo colon. What we use is we will take app1 dot tag. We'll go with our original thing. Okay, na? Super. Now pushing, connecting natraz@gmail.com. Password is submitted, right? Whatever it is, submitted. Okay, tag is created. Can we reverse these steps, guys, better? Before logging, wipe user will remember username, boss. Okay. Okay. Here, what is the step? Log into, what is this? Log into, connect to Docker Hub, right? Connect to Docker Hub. Connect to Docker Hub. Next, after that, create image. Create a tag name. While creating tag name, here what is there? Username, right? What is there, guys? Username. I'm assuming username is not gmail.com. I'm assuming username is what? Just Natraz. Username is what? Just Natraz. Oh, 1 minute. Username is just Natraz. NATR. Yeah, this is what? Username. Username. This is what? Repo name. Okay. What is that? Repo name. Repo name. This is tag name. This is purely what, guys? Tag name. Yes. Okay. Now we have to push the image now, boss. Yeah. What is the procedure to push the image? Docker push. Tell me, what is the procedure to push that image? Natraz slash FS 903 colon repo colon. What is this? app1 hyphen tag. app-1 tag. Are you getting my point there, guys? Yeah, once again, same story na, boss. Username. Yeah, just tag name, guys. Overall, together it is tag name or not, guys? Okay, username slash, what is this? Repo name slash, are you getting my point? Repo name slash colon tag name. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Come on. Okay. An expected error while executing WSL command. My Docker does not work. Mr. Akash, first install WSL2. Hyper-V and WS2 is not installed first. First install that dirty fellow. Why are going to Docker without installing WSL2? And what is another one? Hyper-V. We have to keep both the things ready now first. First of all, we need to keep both the things ready, right? It is not installed. That's why it is showing error. Read the error, worst fellow first. Read the error. It is clearly telling what? Some problems are there towards what? Installing WSL2, right? Please, And please put such queries at the end of the session. What do you expect, boss? I should stop teaching current topic and I should solve your problem? Don't have common sense? Please wait till the end of the session and bring your queries. Please don't make your problems as universal problems. It's my humble request. Focus on current topic. Yes. Not this. I think it's better screen is required. Okay. Let me take from here. Let me take from here. It's coming, boss? Yes. Right? Okay. App 1 tag. This is done, guys. In any other mission, get Docker image and run the image. What should I do here? Okay, here, what is the name I have to use? I have to pull the image. How to you pull the image, guys? Come on, everyone. Natraz slash Natraz slash FS repo 903 colon app 1 hyphen tag. Okay, that's it. We pulled it or not, guys? After that, what next, guys? We run it. How to run it, guys? Same story. We are running the same thing or not, guys? Say paste. Done. Oh, yeah. Okay, all the screenshots we don't need, because all the screenshots are having what? Previous information. All the screenshots are having previous information. Right, boss. Okay, that's a different story. Okay, I'll just put pulling and getting everything, right? I think Docker images empty. After that, we did something now. Okay, pull activity. Okay, first what we do here for practicals, what we did, guys. First we did this work, right? Come on, first this work we did. First we did this work. We deleted everything, right? After that, we checked any images are there or not there. We checked any images are there or not there. We really checked it or not, boss. Okay, that's good. Yeah, no images found. Then we pulled the images. Docker pull, right? We perform Docker pull operation. We perform Docker pull operation. Yes, here only one headache is Natraz Docker is there, which is against of what? Our username. Our username is what? Just Natraz, right? Okay. How to fill this, guys? Black color. Done. This little movement we have to bring for this. Perfect. Perfect. 1 minute. Fill the black color. It is application one. It's application one. Application one hyphen tag. Application one. Application one hyphen tag, guys. Application one hyphen tag. Oh, it's not coming. Okay. Application one hyphen tag. Come on, guys. Right. Application one hyphen tag. We have to use white color, reverse. Application one hyphen tag. Okay, then we have to run it now, boss. We need to run it. Docker images. Okay, I don't want to have Docker images. Right. Okay, otherwise let's Docker images. This stuff, guys. This stuff is okay. There also we have to change the thing. There also we have to change the thing. Lastly, we also run by using what, guys? We also run by using tag name. We also run by using tag name. We are aware of that or not, guys? Say paste. Say paste. Welcome to Docker. Sum is what? 30. Welcome to Docker. Sum is what? 30. Okay, this is done, guys. Here, a few places I have to play with this, guys. What is this? I think Natraz Docker is the username. That we have to take it as what? This is the one place, black color, fill up. This is the one place, black color, fill up. That's the repo name now, boss. Come on. Yes, fill up page. Okay. Repo name came nicely, boss. Here, remove this entire story. Remove this entire story. Fill with black color. Okay. After that, somewhere at the top, we have written the same story now, boss. Yes. Copy. Say paste. I hope our username and this computer username is different. Why this headache? We have unnecessarily taken Natraz as the username. Okay, anyhow, this is done. Okay, all right. Remember me, I have to replace yesterday's document. Yesterday document, old content is there. Let's replace. Okay, guys. Now, shall we see the another interesting thing? Okay, if applications are developed from Eclipse IDE, we add a Docker file in the Eclipse project itself. Okay, we keep the project in what? Git. From the Git, we bring into what? Git pull command we apply. Git pull commands we apply, we bring into what? Local folder. There we use Maven command to pack the content. Okay. And moreover, if it is Spring Boot application kind of thing, JDK is part of the project only, na? Come on. So we can directly run it or not. Or we can, if you want, you can pack the Open JDK also. That's not an issue. So let's see, making Spring Boot standalone application, nothing but jar file as a Docker application. So I need to develop one Spring Boot application urgently now. What is our workspace? This is our workspace. Here, file, new. Where is this? Project, starter project. What is this? Spring starter project. Right, boss? Right now, application is not important, boss. Where is this? Maven. What is the project? Docker. Yeah, boot app1. Docker boot app1 group com.nt or NIT, whatever it is. Docker boot app1. We take everything in root package now, boss. com.nt. I think everyone aware this is the basics, guys, right? Say next. I'm not adding anything, guys, because application is important, right? We'll keep on SOP. That is also application, right, boss? Docker boot app1. Come on. Here by default main class has come, guys. Has come or not? Here what I do, I will say sysout. Welcome to Docker Spring Boot application. Welcome to Docker Spring Boot application. We got this message or not, guys? We simply got this message or not? I want reply, my dear. Come on. Welcome to Docker Spring Boot. Welcome to Docker Spring Boot application, guys. Fine. So we need to prepare Docker file now. We need to prepare Docker file. Okay, we are ready with this, guys. Right click on the project, team share project. So where should I keep Docker file? That's a $1 billion question, right? Okay. Where should I keep Docker file? Docker file will be added to the project directly. Okay. In the project itself, project directory itself. Where, guys? In the project directory. In the project directory. Okay, boss. But go to pom.xml. Okay. Decide the jar file name. How to get control on jar file name, guys? We already discussed final name. Somewhere you will be getting final name or not, guys. Build. What is there? Final name. Build final name. Add boot app under build tag. What is the name you want to take? Boot application one. Any name you can give, guys. See, if everything is packed in jar file, we can run the jar file now. So I'm trying to get control on jar file name. Otherwise, it will come with what? Project name. It is very lengthy one. I'm taking simple one, boss. I'm trying to take the simple one. Okay, where should I add a Docker file, guys? Here. New, what is there? File. Here, what is the name I want to use? D capital small, F small letter, D capital small letter. I hope no spell mistake is there. In Docker file, what we should add, guys? From OpenJDK. To run the jar file, JDK is required? Yes. Work directory, some logical work directory. It can be X, Y, Z. It can be X, Y, Z. Copy everything of target folder jar file to what? Logical work folder app1. That's good. Then cmd Java is the command. -jar is the option. Okay, boot app1.jar. Command to execute the jar file. Command to execute the jar file. Okay, now let's see, guys, what I'm going to do from OpenJDK. Okay, luckily it is not showing talent of making letters as uppercase, right? Tell me next one. Work dir. What dir? Work dir. Logical name app2. That's a logical folder internally, boss. Nice. Next. Copy. Target slash. What, guys? Target slash star.jar file 2. What is this? Slash app2. Slash a normal slash. Oh, both places slash. Yeah, this is how we have to have reference document, not to, because who remembers all these small syntaxes? Better to have one reference document or not, guys? Yes, guys. Next. app1 tag is not fs repo 903. fs 903 repo na, boss. fs 903 repo or then that's right. What? Achha, we got somewhere FS 903 repo in documents. Okay, fine. You adjust. Okay. होशियार को इशारा काफी है, right? Yeah, fine. If time permits, I'll change. Otherwise, you are intelligent enough, right? Okay. Copy target star.jar slash app2. Next, I want to execute the jar file now, boss. Anyhow, my Maven will take care of preparing jar file, right? Okay, go to this place, cmd, square bracket, open, closing, first to Java, comma is there or not there? Is there. -jar, comma is there or not there? Boot to app1. Am I right? At least that is right, or that is also not right. Boot to app1 is this one. Yes, perfect na, boss. This is perfect or not, guys? Okay. Boot app1. Right click, team. What is there? Share the project. Should I run the project? He's saying that you forgot to run, sir. Array, if this application won't run, which application runs, ra? Array, dirty fellows. Keep some confidence on me, ra, babu. Bapure, Vaishnav Reddy. Show some confidence on yourself, boss. Okay, team, share project. Okay, what is this? 903 local. Where is this? Finish. Git staging. What is this? Spring Boot application commit. Commit and push. Commit and push. Okay. It is committed to that na, boss? Yes. Right. Say close. Done. So it has come to Git repository. It has come to Git repository. Yes, boss. Only project. Still Docker is not created, boss. Please. Still we have not entered into Docker part. It is now with what? Git repository. Starter Docker desktop already there. Pull the Git repository content. What content, guys? Pull the Git repository content. What we should do, guys? We should say Git pull. Git pull. We should say git pull. We have a direct command, guys, git pull. Using that, we can happily pull the content or not, guys. Okay, that's good. Let's see. Directory of this. Here, some applications are coming now. Docker SB app1. Whatever it is. Whatever we keep, you are getting it. So, going to CD. MD demo 3. What is this? MD demo 3. I don't want to disturb existing one. CD demo 3. I created one demo 3 folder, right? Yeah. Tell me, guys, git pull, not git repository. Not a git repository. What is this? Any of the parent directories. Any of the parent directories. I think I have to initiate Git now. Okay. I have to initiate Git. Okay, 1 minute. 11 Docker apps. That's fine. Okay, 1101 repo. 1101 repo. Yeah, this is Maven clean package. All these are okay, but first of all, git pull. Okay, what should I do to make sure that this git is working, guys? Git, we have to make git. We have to make git connecting to this one now first. Not a git repository. Nothing is there. First, we have to initialize the git in this folder. First of all, we need to initialize git. Okay. Tell me, guys, git init. What is there? Git init. Initialized empty git repository. Now it has become what? Git repository. Now next one, git pull. What is there? Git pull. There is no tracking information for current branch. Please specify which branch you want to merge. Okay. Git pull remote branch name. Git pull remote branch. Okay, that's good. Git pull. What is the URL we copied, guys? We copied some URL na, boss. From there, it is there in master branch only na. It is there in master branch only na, boss. Yes, everything came na, boss. Now let's look at. Go to demo 3 folder. What folder? Demo 3 folder. Whatever applications are there, they came or not, guys? Whatever applications are there, they came or not, guys? In that repository, whatever applications are there, they came. Okay, first what we have to do, guys? Okay, maybe already setup is there. That's why I have done directly what? Git pull kind of thing. Okay, but technically speaking, what we should do? We should write everything there or not there. Okay, then what I do is, come on. Okay, come on, guys, leave it. Done. Done. All this stuff you remove. Yes, we add our screenshot. Later we add it, guys. So now, otherwise, let's complete now itself. Later screen may be there, may not be there, because we do lot of things in our screens. Come here. What is the first one? Git init. First one is what? Git init. We created demo 3 folder and we said git init. Where is the document, guys? Yeah. Git init is done. Next, git pull. Git pull. We are trying to get something from the git repository, right, boss? Yeah. What is the command we got? Git pull. After git pull, you say dir. In that current directory, all the projects came or not, guys? All the projects came or not came, boss? Happily, all the projects came or not came? Super, boss. After that, what next? Build application using Maven command. You should get into that folder where our application is there. We should get into that folder where our application is there. Where is that? CD. What is this? Docker boot app1. We are into that folder. Maven command should execute where pom.xml is there. MVN, what is there? Clean package. How all these commands are working, sir? Because other day we have installed Maven, we have configured Maven. Don't forget that, right? MVN clean package. This will generate the jar file or not, guys? It will generate the jar file happily with the given name. It will generate the jar file happily with what? Given name. Okay, build success. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, 1 minute. Maven clean package. Let me take the screenshot. Okay, paste it. Okay, let me take the screenshot, paste it. This is done, guys. Second time, if you run also, not a problem. Come to this folder. Go to target folder. Boot app1 jar has come na, boss? Yes, sir. No, na. Okay, that's good. Now, once this is done, my dear, now anyhow Docker file is there in the same folder. So, okay, we can start building Docker image or not, guys. Docker build. Okay, -t. Okay, -t. Boot app1 -image dot. Yeah, you have to run that command in the place where Docker file is there. It is coming or not coming, boss? Next. Docker, what is there? Images. It's going to give list of images, na, boss? Okay, boot app image one is there or not there, guys? Tell me next one. Docker run. What is there? Docker run boot app one -image. Okay, unable to access the jar file. Why so? Boot app1 I have to give a boot app1.jar I have to give a. Let me look at this. Let me look at this. Boot app1.jar, commas are kept. Commas are kept. Okay, that's great. But let's look at the Docker file, guys. Let's look at the Docker file. Here is the Docker file. Mistake ho gaya bhaiya. Yes, na, boss? We have given file name, but jar na, we have to give jar file name, including extension. Yeah, what is the mistake? Yeah, for every mistake, there is a solution. Put it, commit it. Change one. Change one. Right. That is reflecting. Go to back, guys. Git to pull. Every time you need not to give URL. One time is enough. Oh, second time also it is expecting a. Okay, what should I do then? Git pull. Yes. It will take the updated one plus minus something. One file changed it is showing. CD. I think you are understanding what magic I am doing, what I am doing here. Small change is there. I don't want to just modify locally, boss. I can modify locally also. But later when I deliver the project, problem may come, right? Everywhere I am modifying, guys. Now tell me, back to original story. What is the original story? Preparing images. Okay. Docker system. Docker system. Prune -API. I want everything to be cleaned. Cleaned, boss. Next. Docker build, right? Docker build -t, same command is executed. Now image is build na, boss? Image is build or not, guys? Nicely the image is build. Nice, guys. Docker run. What's the image name? Boot app1 -image. Spring Boot started. Okay. Someone said that output. Here is the output. Now we need to think about keeping this one in what? A repository. Okay, fine. What is there? Docker tag What is the image name? Boot app1 image Natraz Docker slash. What is that? Natraz Docker slash. Tell me next one. FS903 repo colon any tag name. What is this? Boot app1 hyphen tag. Boot app1 hyphen tag. Tag is created na boss. Okay, now Docker push. What is there? Docker push. Enter key, right click. It will be pushed na boss. Docker push. Unnecessarily image name has kept again. There is no need of keeping image name. Only tag name is enough. Only tag name is enough. Layer already exists. That means some things are already there, kind of thing. Fine. Online student, you pull this and execute. You pull this and execute, guys. Online student, you pull this and execute. How to prove? When nothing is there, I am pulling from there. Docker system. What is this? Prune A. It will delete all containers and images. Right now, Docker images. No images. Now I'm going to pull na boss. Come on. This is called portability, my dear. I'm doing in the same system. You can do it on any system. Just having Docker in your computer. This is our baseline. Na? That is what I'm promising, right? Tell me. Natraz Docker. Tell me. FS903 repo colon boot app1 hyphen tag. Done. It has been coming. It's been coming, boss. Yeah. It's pulling freshly, boss. It's pulling freshly. Anyone tried? 2-3 people already having set up. They must try this. You are not believing me, na? Let me go to Docker Hub. Here say refresh. Second image is also ready. Check it out. Second image is also ready here, my dear. Boot app1 tag is ready or not ready? Okay. Fine. We pulled it. After that, what next? Docker run. Docker run. Right click. Yes. Docker run. There is no need of this, right? Click on it. Output came or not, guys? Come on. Okay, let's do that. Everyone do it and keep the message. Working kind of message I want. Demo 3, clean package. Here what is there? Creation of the image, guys. Can I create the image according to our syntax? According to our syntax, I want image creation syntax. Why it is happening, guys? Oh, this is minimized. Yeah, how to create our own image? Syntax to create our image. Syntax to create image. This is tag. This is a tag. Yes, here is the syntax, guys. This is image creation syntax, na boss? Yes. Say, where should I do that? It works, guys. That's the beauty of Docker, my dear. Yeah, though you don't. If you want, you go to your friend or relative desktop in which Java is not there. Okay, just install Docker in his machine. Try. You will give more satisfaction. Or you move to a friend machine who is working with a .NET environment or PHP environment. They don't install Java, right? Still works. That's the beauty, right? Okay, next one, what? We have to cut this. We have to run this, guys. We have to run this. This is wasting our time. No problem. But clarity is coming, right? Okay. Now tell me, what is the command we got? Docker run. What is this? Docker run. Image is ready. After that, what? Docker run. We are output. Ready with output na boss? Yes. Somehow we are ready with output. Let me paste. Okay. This is done. Next. Push the image to Docker Hub. Yeah, we are ready to push, guys, but not in this style, right? In this style. That is the old style. New style is what, my dear? Creating tag. Okay. Creating tag. Creating tag. That's one. Or I'm not changing Natras Docker, guys. Okay, you adjust. It's a username. I'm leaving to your common sense, right? Okay. हो गया. Okay. This is username. This is repo name. This is a tag name. Yeah, I know that. Everyone knows it. But all of a sudden, instead of Natras, if you see Docker, Natras Docker, you may confuse, right? Let us assume we created another user, other stuff kind of thing. Tell me this is pushing. Okay. Pushing is also happening, guys. This is pushing. Tag name only we use in a boss. Right. Save paste. Okay, I'm not showing pulling and executing, guys. I'm leaving to your common sense. Right? Okay, now what is left? Web applications are where server JDK both are required. But interesting thing is, if we have server brings automatically JDK. So there is no need of you arranging JDK separately. You concentrate on what? Arranging what? Server. That is enough. If it is Spring Boot application, embedded server, even server also not required to arrange. But I don't want to do that because it's like a previous application only, right? It's like what? Previous application. We'll take normal web application where external server is required and we try to do it, guys. Tell me. Develop web application and test it locally. Okay, fine. I know what I'm going to test. New, where is this? Dynamic web project. Docker web app 1. Docker web app 1. Otherwise, let me take the same name. Docker test web app so that we can save some time. Docker test web app. At least we can avoid screenshots, guys. Yeah. Dynamic web project. This. Say next. Say next. Okay. Deployment directory structure you add, you don't add. That really does not matter. Okay. Here is my test app. In this one, WebINF. Here in web app, I'm just adding. Okay, I'm just adding one HTML file. How does it matters, right? Okay, web application. Index.html. Save, finish. Okay, guys. Here, what is this? H1 style. What is there? Color colon red. What is next? Text hyphen align center. Welcome to Docker web app. Welcome to Docker web app. Are you enjoying the sessions? Okay, pushing, pulling, portability, everything, guys. Come on. Super. Okay. If you want, you can take servlet communication, everything. Whatever we did earlier, all the things can be done. Okay. But right now, focus is not on that. It's about portability, right, guys? Okay, boss. Let's test locally, guys. Run on server. Server selected. In real time, we place these Docker images on cloud. Yes. Actually, they will be created in cloud. They will be executed in cloud. Because in real time, we connected to cloud from desktop machines. We connected to through AWS virtual machines. We do all this stuff, right? But there also procedure is same. That's it. Are dockerhub.com itself cloud ra. Only the thing is now we are doing from Windows na. In real time, you may be doing from what? AWS virtual machine, Linux virtual machine. Commands are same. Only platform is not Windows. It will be what? Linux platform. And anyhow, we don't do. DevOps team do. Full stack developer, you are DevOps na. You have to get into Linux machine and you have to do it. Everyone getting my point? Yeah. Yeah, we got it. I think it is executed. Output is coming. It's working properly na boss. Open pom.xml guys. Yeah, I have taken dynamic web project, Maven project. Uh, I don't want mistake happened by I want to take it as what? Maven web application. Then only var file will be there in our control, right? Then only var file name will be there in our control. Let me check what I have taken here. Develop web application, test it locally. Yeah, all these things came. Ayo. Pom.xml is there. Pom.xml is there means what, guys? It's a Maven web application. Then only we can pack easily, na boss. Web app, whatever it is. What is this? Docker hyphen test web app, right? Docker hyphen test web app. Control Z. Why Control Z? We have taken normal dynamic web project. I don't want that. That's the meaning, na? Okay. All these are there, guys. Tell me. SRC main. Okay. SRC main. Did we not take web app? Taken, na? Okay. Not coming. No problem. New. Will come. Well, I'll tell. Will come all this stuff when I say extra settings. Configure build path, select these folders, apply and close. Then main resources, main Java, main web app should come. Main web app, WebINF should come. Why it is not giving, guys? Did I select web app properly? Selected? Okay, not problem. If not coming, we will add it manually. What is there? Web app. What is there, guys? Web app. Under web app, I'm trying to add what? Not all this stuff. WebINF is not required. HTML file. What file? HTML. Index.html. Say next, say finish. H1 style. Color colon blue. Text hyphen align center. Welcome to Docker web app. Yes, guys. Okay. Right click. Acha. We'll see the final name also. Wait, my dear. Pom.xml. Let's go to build tag. Okay. This is wrong pom.xml, guys. Close all editors. One more pom.xml. No, we opened wrong one. We are opening the wrong one. This is the one we should open now, boss. Here is what? Pom.xml, guys. Yeah, change Java version to 17. Java version to 17. Okay. What is there? Build. Under build, what should I use? Final name. Under build, final name. What's the name you decided? Docker test web app. Luckily, project name only coming as what? This. I don't want to touch it. Right? Okay. Right click. Where is this? Run as. Run on server. Saved, guys. Done. Say next. Remove all. Finish. Okay. Restart the server. We're trying to restart the server now, boss. Hello world is coming. Hello world is coming means earlier we did a mistake. I will tell. SRC main web app, it is executing index.jsp. That means we kept web app folder and other stuff. Where, guys? Web app folder and other stuff by mistake in this folder. Am I right? That's why web app has not come, dirty fellows. Okay. Cut it, guys. Okay. Cut it. Copy this. Paste here, right? Say paste. Right. Okay. Let it be. Now go there. Now there is no need of this web app folder, na boss. Leave it. Yeah. Now Docker test app, run on server, Tomcat 10.1, say finish. Welcome to Docker web app has come now, boss. Right. It is ready, boss. Once it is ready, we should add Docker file to this project. Come on. Docker file to this project, new file. What is the name of the file? Docker file. D capital, F small letter. Yeah. What is required in this Docker file? From Tomcat 10.1 JRE 11. Compatibility, nothing. Tomcat 10, what is this? JRE 11. Okay, since you are taking JRE 11, it's better to take what? Java 11 also there. Compatibility will come, but on safe side, better to take. If Java 17 is there, we can take 17 one also. Not a problem. Okay, tell me this is the one. But how to search whether it is available or not? Okay, come to this guys. Docker search. What guys? Docker search. Tomcat 10.1 hyphen. What is there? 10.1 hyphen JRE. JRE 17 I will take today. Here, what is there, guys? We have anything like that? We have anything like that, guys? Come on. Tomcat 10.1, JRE 17. Tomcat 7.1. Okay. Otherwise, just Tomcat 10.1 is Tomcat 10.1 has come by from someone, right? Okay. Tomcat 10.1 hyphen JRE 17. Look for here, there something is there. Open use. Where is that? .NET. Exactly, our wording is not there, but he may have. Open use Tomcat JRE 17 is there. Open use this one. Okay. Let me search for 11. JRE 11. JRE 11 also available or not available? Yes, guys. No, this is a tag name, guys. Open use Tomcat JRE 11. Okay, what is this? Tomcat 9 JRE 11. So we have something, guys. Open use Tomcat JRE 11. Open use Tomcat JRE 11. Maybe it is not listing out. If not there, we will change it, guys. Okay. If not there, we will change it. As of now, we will use the same thing that is there. We will use the same thing that is there, guys. Yeah, this needs bit attention, guys. Okay. Tell me here what I'm going to do. From what is there? From Tomcat 10.1 hyphen JRE 11. No need of JDK. Tomcat itself gives the JDK. Yeah. Next. What's the next one? Copy target folders. What is there? Docker test web app folder. Docker test web app, right? Copy. Tell me. Target slash. What slash? Target slash. Otherwise, you can say star.var. Hey, no need of giving name, boss. Come on. Tell me to which folder, guys. Array, some internal execution wise, it will available somewhere here, right? It will be available somewhere here. You are USR slash local slash Tomcat slash web apps folder. Indirectly, we are deploying, right? We are deploying in the Tomcat server that is there in Docker container. We are going to deploy in Tomcat server that is there in what? Docker container. They are the fixed folders only. What is there? US slash USR, only USR. User boss. USR means user. Slash USR slash local. Slash USR slash local. Slash local. Slash Tomcat. Come on, guys. Slash web apps. Okay. See, you want to copy as it is name or you want to give different name? That's up to you. Okay, but if you give star dot var, you have to give only folder. If you give name of the var file, there you can also choose the name. You want to copy as it is or you want to copy with a different name. Docker test web app. Same name na boss? Docker test web app. Docker test web app. I think perfectly is matching. Test web app. A capital. So here also I want to give what? Same name. Docker test web app. Dot var. I want to copy with the same name. Next, what is next one, guys? Expose. Now listen. I'm not asking to expose 8080 port number for outside Tomcat. For my Windows OS Tomcat cannot run on 8080 because already Oracle occupied. But within the Docker container, any problem, guys? It can run on any port number, na boss. Come on, my dear. It can happily run on any port number or not, guys. Because within the Docker container, a container itself one OS kind of thing, right? So their port number 8080 is busy up, not free, free. There wantedly, actually I can give any other port number, guys. Expose, what is there? 8080. Because the Tomcat that is there in Docker container by default runs on what? 8080. Sir, it is already busy now. In Windows OS, it is busy. In Docker container, it is not busy. Docker container is also one virtual OS, right? It has got again 1,265,535 port numbers, right, boss? Are you getting my point there? Are you getting my point there, guys? That's it. Save this one. This is to use Tomcat that automatically gives JDK. This is to get the var files and copy the var file to deploy in what? Docker container manager Tomcat. Docker container manager Tomcat. So having all these things, we are going to commit now, boss. Share projects. Tell me this. Push. Go to Git staging, guys. Go to Git staging. Go to Git staging. Go to Git staging. Tell me. Docker web app deploy. Docker web app. That's it. Commit and push. Okay. It is pushed or not? Okay. What? Sir, copy command is copying to what? Target folder var file. It is copying to what? Web apps folder of the Tomcat that is there in the Docker container. That is there in the Docker container. Chicky, when I explain something, stop thinking parallelly. That's the biggest problem with the students. They get new point, they start thinking about it, they listen, they stop listening the class. See, I'm not talking about Tomcat that is there in my Windows machine. I am talking about the Tomcat that is there in my Docker container. So there also one location will be there, na? To that location web apps folder, I am copying the var file. Please, this is the one blunder mistake that students are doing. New point, they start analyzing without listening the further discussion. There they are lagging. Okay. Yeah, I'll give comment also if needed. Go back cd dot dot. cd dot dot. I think we should get into demo 3 folder only because we are going to get new folder, right? cd demo 3. Demo 3 only all pulled dir. All Git projects are there now, boss. Come on. Tell me here. What is there? Git pull. Git pull. Okay, who will remember the URL now? Git pull. What is there? Git pull. Am I right? Yes. I think this is right. Okay, something new came. Now dir. Where is there? Docker test web app is there or not there? cd docker test. We are ready with that? Okay, dir. Inside the Docker file is there. pom.xml is there. mvn. What is there? Clean package. What package? mvn clean package. So it is going to give me the var file or not? Let me check whether var file has come or not. Demo 3 test app target folder. Whereas come na boss. Okay, now I'm going to build the image. Now I'm going to build the image. Docker build. Hyphen T. T is tag name, image name kind of thing. Tell me, boss, what is this? Web app 1 img dot. Web app 1 img dot. I'm preparing the image here. Load metadata for talker.io library. Okay, it is saying that not there. Fail to solve. Fail to resolve source metadata. Latest, full access denied. Repository does not exist, may require what? Authorization. It is saying that it is not there. So we should use that is the one that is there, na? We should use the one that is there. They removed it. What to do? Unfortunately, they removed it, right? Tell me, what is this? Docker search. Tomcat. What is there? Docker search. Tomcat 10.1. JRE 17. We use the latest only. I think this is sounding good. CAF API open use, right? This is Chinese one. Oh, popre. I think this one. CAF open use. Tomcat JRE 17. Tomcat JRE 17. Tomcat JRE 17. Okay, 1 minute. Oh, we got a big problem. Docker search. Docker search. Docker search. Tomcat 10.1. Tomcat 10.1. I think something is there here. Description JDK 17. I think this is good, na? Richie, something is there, na, boss? Come on, my dear. We can use this. We can use this. First, what we do is we go to Docker file, right? Can we paste this, my dear? Paste. Tomcat 10.1. Yeah, this is, yeah. Then commit it. Then what is there? Change one. Say commit and push. Okay. Yes, guys. Okay. We can also make Tomcat image. Why you should make? Chiki, why your mental comes sometime? When ready-made images are there, why you want to keep? Come on. Please. Tomcat is a ready-made software or not? Please don't irritate me like this. You think about creating new images using existing images, right? Back. Tell me. Git to pull, right, boss? Git to pull master. Yes, some changes are done, guys. Come on, everyone. CD Docker test. Done, boss. Come on. Tell me next one. Now we have to prepare a image. This one, na? Yes. Fail to resolve source metadata. Tomcat 10.1 latest. Latest not found. Then what is found, ra? What is found? What is found? In docker.io, it is saying what? They are not available. Oh, we got it. We got a issue, boss. Okay, go to Docker's. Go to Docker Hub. Go to Docker Hub. Okay. This is Docker Hub. Yeah. Go to Docker Hub. Yes, we are here. In this one, launch Docker Hub. Docker Hub. Search in what? Docker Hub. What is there? Tomcat 10.1. Consistency is missing, guys. That's a problem. Tomcat 10.1 I want. Tomcat 10.1 I want. Okay, this is a Tomcat. Okay, updated 13 days ago. Here you observe. Here you observe. Here we have so many names. Supported tags respect to Docker file links. Okay, here we are looking for what, guys? 10 JDK 11, 10 JDK 17, 10 JDK 11, 17, whatever it is. Yes, guys. This is 9. Okay, we have to stick with the 10 only, na? Yeah, we have to stick with what? 10. Okay, I think we got 10.1. Okay, now we have got a clarity. 10.1 JDK 17. We have multiple things. 10.1 JDK 17. Okay. 10.1 JDK 17. So how to get this tag name, guys? How to get this tag name? It is giving its own this one, but I want to get the appropriate tag name of this. Okay, that is a tagger, this one. Where to get the tag name? There will be a provision to get the tag name. This is official Tomcat, guys. This is official Tomcat. Recent tags. 11 also came, but we are looking for what? 10.1. Okay, 10.1. We are looking for what? 10.1. JDK 21. 10.1. JDK 17. Where we have seen that, guys? 10.1 JDK. Here is there, na boss? Okay. Let's take this 10.1 JDK 17. One more attempt, boss. Here you paste. Tomcat 10.1 JDK 17. I'm assuming that's perfect. Okay. Say this. Remaining all are same only. Next one. Then we have to push. Change to, you have to say push. Change to, you have to say push. Done. See, time to time tags are changing. We are helpless in that, right? Next one, what, guys? Come to command prompt. Say cd dot dot. What is this? Pull command. Git to pull command. Git pull. Some changes it found, guys. cd docker test web app. Tell me now, what is this? No, we have to prepare Maven clean package. If you don't do also, no problem. Okay. Maven clean package. Done, my dear. Okay. After that, what next? Docker build. Docker build. What's this? Official one only we are taking now, boss. Library Tomcat pull token for registry.io. I think it is giving error, but it is saying what? Pull token for error. Pull token for repo1.docker.io. Let's think positively because here error is showing, but here what? Okay, fail to solve. Tomcat 10 failed to resolve source metadata. Latest. Full access denied. Or repository does not exist. Or may require authorization. Server message insufficient scope. What is there? Authorization failed. Then it's there in public only, na? It's there in public domain and we are using it. What is this authorization issue, guys? What is this authorization issue? Okay. Syntax error. No, yeah, it's showing error for other things, na boss. It's showing error for what? Other thing. Here's single space, double space, that really does not matter, boss. Okay, we struck it up here. No, we tried with the JDK 11 also, boss. It is not taking. We have tried with the JDK 11. It's now giving some authorization issue because. Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute. Yes, guys. Copy this. Copy this. Tell me here. Chat GPT. Okay. Say paste, enter key. Incorrect image name might be incorrect. Yeah, it's saying that repository slash image slash tag. They changed syntax recently, na boss. They changed syntax recently. It is saying what? It is saying that you have to go like that. You have to go like this. We have done Docker logging. That's not an issue. Expiry, that is an issue. Docker pull, Tomcat 10.1. Let me try this. Okay, whether I are able to bring it or not. Okay, Docker pull, Tomcat 10.1 hyphen. They changed it little syntax and is giving headache to us, right? 10.1 JDK 17. Okay, if it is pulled there, Docker Scout quick review. Is it coming or not coming, boss? What is the error? No, not that, not that. Where is that? Docker pull. What next? Using default tag latest. Came, boss. It came, it seems. What next it is giving? Error response. Denied for repository does not exist or may require Docker login. Docker login already we did it. Okay. Okay, let me confirm Docker login is already done. Docker login already done. Okay. So that means it is not the way to access, guys. This is not the way to access. Maybe it is expecting along with what? A repository name, right? Okay. They changed syntax completely, boss. How come, Babu? Docker search. What is there? Docker search. Tomcat 10.1. Docker search Tomcat 10.1. Okay. This is the name. This is the description. 1 minute. Collect this. Docker pull. What is there? Say paste. Copy this. Tell me. These people, if they change image names like this, how we can work, Babu? Yeah. Error response. Latest not found. Manifest unknown. It is saying what, guys? No. It is whatever we pick up, it is saying not there. Then what is the way to do, guys? They changed it again. They changed it again. How to get? Does not exist. Docker login. Docker search Tomcat. Official Tomcat usually means names like what? Tomcat colon 10.1. Shall we try like this? Tomcat colon 10.1. Yes, yes. I think this is right. Shall we try this? Docker pull. What is there? Tomcat colon 10 hyphen JDK 17. Oh, it's pulling. It's perfect, right? That means it's perfect. Okay, no problem. We'll use the same thing. You have to do experiment, no option. Because last time that worked, that's why we used it. This time not working, we have to search what is working, right? Okay. Now unnecessarily we are pulling, guys. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's fine. Okay, on safe side, can I try 10.1 also? On safe side, if that is also there, no problem, but it is saying that not there, so we'll adjust with that only. 1 minute. Now to avoid confusion, what I do here, can you help me? Tomcat Tomcat colon 10 hyphen JDK. Are we right? Perfect. Sir, time to time it will change means how, sir? They changed whole system recently, Ra Babu. That's why we faced a problem in pushing also, right? No, no option, boss. What is this? Change 4. Change 4. That's great. Change 4. That's great, guys. Tell me now. Okay, CD dot dot. Git pull. Git pull. Yeah, it's coming, boss. CD Docker Docker web, Docker test, cd docker t. Okay. Tell me, MVN clean package. MVN clean package. Came or not came? Okay. Next, image creation. Image creation. Yes. Yes. Now image is created. Na? Why fastly, sir? Already Tomcat image is downloaded. Na? That's why fastly. Right? Failed. Not failed, guys. It's success, right? Okay. Now we have to run it. Now we have to run it. When you run, it runs on which port number? 8080. But we have to test from browser, na? In browser 8080 means it will go to our Windows 8080, na? Come on, my dear. But in Windows 8080, some other service is running. That's why there is a concept called port mapping. What mapping? That 8080 port number of Docker container Tomcat server, I'm going to map with some free port number like 5555, 3333, 4444, any number. So now what happens, guys? When I give request to my Windows OS 4444, that will take the request to whom? Docker container 8080 port number. This is called port mapping. What mapping, guys? Are it like call diversion kind of thing, Babu? Call. See, inside the Docker container 8080 port number for Tomcat. Can we access it? No. What we should do? We should access through Windows OS. What should we do? I link one Windows port number with Docker container Tomcat server port number. That is called port mapping. See how to do that port mapping, guys? How to do that port mapping, guys? Wait a minute. Docker run -p is extra option, so far not there. Yeah, 686688 Windows OS port number where you want to map 8080 Docker port number and what? Image name. Whatever the image name you want to give, you give. Is it not interesting, Rababu? Come on. Okay, that's good. Yeah, come here. Docker run. Okay, -p. What's the port number? -p. I want to map with a 666, not compulsory, anything, guys. You don't like something else. Which one? 8080. First, our Windows OS port number, then container port number, Docker container port number. Next one, what? Image name. What is image name? Web app 1 IMG. Web app 1 IMG. It's running. Tomcat server is running, right? It is running on which port number? 8080. Within the Docker container. Within the Docker. That we mapped with what? 6677 port number. So here I have to test by using what? HTTP. Come on. 6677. What is the name of the application? Docker test web app. Web app 1. Web app. Enter key. Welcome to Docker web application. Coming or not coming? Now what is left now? We have to keep this one in what? We have to keep this one in what? Docker repository or not? Come on. So that at least online people can test it or not. I need another 10 minutes, guys, minimum. Okay. So now stop the server. Okay, server is over. If you want, you can keep dedicated window for that. So now tell me here what is there. Docker tag. Docker tag. Tell me what is the image, guys? Boot. No. What is the name, guys? Name. Web app 1. Web app 1 image. Image. Natraz Docker slash FS903 repo colon tag what? What is that? Web app 1 tag. Web app 1 tag. Tag is ready now? Okay, now Docker push. Docker push. Enter key. Tell me. Say paste. It's pushing na, boss. Enter key, it is completely pushing. Online students, you be ready to test? Yes, it is pushing. It is been pushed. But I want to give the feeling, no local images, but still I'm able to run. How to give the feeling? Docker system. I think you are enjoying subject. Goosebumps are coming or not? Super guys. Tell me. So now what is the next one? Docker pull, enter key. Docker pull, this one. Tag is downloaded or not, guys? It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. Array, see, downloading one image, but it's saying already exists. Why? Because already few images are there, right, boss? Tell me next one. So we have to run it or not? How to run it? Docker run -p. This time I want to map with 5566. What is there? 80. That is fixed, guys. So we are running this. Tomcat server is started. Come here. You run this, you will get error. Why? Port number is not 6677. This time I mapped with what? 5566. This port mapping is very interesting concept or not, guys? Enjoyed? Any online students did that? Takes time, huh? Array, it's all about downloading only, na? Okay, now, correct. What is that? For your better understanding, Tomcat colon 10.1 not there. 10.10, what is there? We'll write this one freshly and neatly, guys. Can you help me? What is that? From. Yeah, earlier syntax is nice. Tomcat colon 10 point hyphen JDK 17. 10.1 is not there, guys. Yeah, this is copying. What is this? Var file to. What is that? Docker container Tomcat server. Docker container Tomcat server. Okay. Push the code. Pull the code. Okay. What we are doing? Git pull. But git pull, that is enough. Something else is required. What is required? Git pull. What is there? Git pull. This is the pull. This is the right one, na boss? This one, boss. We are going to remove this, guys. This is Git. Commit to Git. Okay, that's fine. Next. Docker test. This is as it is. If you want to worry about folder structure also, directory structure also, you want to be very particular. Okay, then what is there? Clean package. What is there? Clean package. Array, I'm doing all these efforts for your better practicals, Ra Babu. No confusion should be there, right? Clean package. Next, creating image na boss. Creating image. What is our one? This is the image na boss. Yeah. Right. Save paste. Running the application na boss. Come on. Port mapping. Okay, we do everything, Ra Babu. After that, run the application, right? Yeah, this is port mapping, guys. This is port mapping. Create Docker container with what? Port mapping. Here what's happening? Port mapping is happening. Port mapping is happening. In that, this is Windows OS port, Docker Tomcat port, right? Okay. Windows OS port. Next, this one, Docker Tomcat port. Windows OS port, Docker Tomcat port. Okay, test the application. There's the test up. What is port mapping creation? In what is port mapping in Docker container creation? Right, boss? Right. The softwares of Docker container might be running on some default port number 8080 for Tomcat. But the same 8080 port number might be busy for what? Other services in host computer. So we need to map Docker container software service port number to what? A free port number of the host computer. This process is called what? Port mapping. Diagrammatically, I have explained. This is a Docker container inside the Tomcat server. Here, there I deployed the web application. It is running on which port number? 8080. This is my host OS. Host OS, Linux or Windows. Linux or Windows, right, boss? This is what? Host OS, Linux or Windows. I want reply, guys. Come on. So this port number I mapped with this number was. Yeah, if we give request to 8080 error, if we give request to test app by using 6688, whatever it is, 66666688, whatever it is we are getting success or not, guys. Enjoyed web application also, making sense. Now tell me, if I have a Docker, I can take this application, I can run. It's like it gives the feeling I created one installer, install and use anything anywhere or not there. Any kind of Java project I can do like this or not, guys. Same thing when database is there, same thing is there when project to project communication is happening, all this stuff is there. I hope you got clarity about the Docker. Are you able to feel code plus environment packing means what that actually? Any online student tested, boss? Web application tested or not tested? Please test it, then you will understand the story. Okay, go to Docker run -p, or after -p no space, right? Dirty fellow. Huh? After -p no space run, aina. Okay, check the syntax. It's clearly saying syntax. It's clearly saying what? Syntax. Unable to find image. Web app 1 latest. It is not image, right? It is a tag. And that too, what is the one you have to use? Ganesh, worst fellow. Natraz Docker slash FS903 repo colon web app 1 hyphen tag. Man Purushra Babu. Why are you pulling like this, Ra? As why are you running like this? First you have to pull, na? First you have to pull, right? Then we have to run. Did you create in your machine like this? Mr. Ganesh, I want reply. What bad practice you are doing, you have not pulled, but you are directly running. Send your feet, Ra. I will keep one temple for you. Without pulling, how can you run? No common sense, my dear. If you pulled, it will come. It came like that, When you pull, it came like that, muddy fellow. How it came? Natraz Docker slash FS Remo. What is that? FS 903 repo colon. What is that? Web app 1 hyphen tag. I have shown here, but still people do same mistake. Did we do that work here or not, guys? Have we done that work or not? Docker build. This is building, right? Pulling where, guys? Where we have seen? After pulling, that is Docker build. Come down. Tell me, tagging, pushing. Okay, after that, proning is done. After proning, we have got something called pull. Mister, this is what you have to do now, boss. This is what we have to do, right? Now it came, Docker. It's download, complete. Now you run it. Happily it runs. Who said it won't run? Doing mistakes and saying that not working. Fine. Okay, I said I will give some complimentary videos to you people. I hope you enjoyed whole session, my dear. I hope you thoroughly enjoyed whole session. Journey is useful or useless? I take bit extra time, but I will give quality subject. You might have realized that, right? And everything we enjoyed thoroughly, no doubt. What's your folder? Class content. Yes, guys. Tell me now. Okay. Tools FS 903. This is your thing. Okay, I will create some folders here now. Some folders. I said, no, I will use some additional folders from my side. Okay, first one, Jacaco. What is there? Already given in the Git, guys, but Jacaco given ra babu. Anyhow, all these are supplementary tools for you. Control F. What is this? Jacaco. Code coverage tool. Right? Jacaco code coverage tool, guys. Now, if I give like this, you won't recognize. I will make it additional, additional, additional tool URLs. Additional tool URLs. Okay, here what is there? New text file. New text document. Fine. Okay, say paste. Code coverage paste. Right. Enjoyed. WSL is not installing in my system. Change system or reinstall Windows. See, boss, when something not installed, what I did, YouTube videos, you have to spend time, right? You are not LKG, UKG, or 10th class student to complain. You should spend time. You should get the reference videos. You should submit the errors. I have that same thing in front of you, right? I also faced a problem, but did I complain to someone? Did I complain to someone? My senior, my junior? No, I spent time. That is what you have to learn from the classes, right? Please. You are not just graduate. You are not just school going kids. You are graduates. When unknown problem comes also, you should not look your back. You should not show your back. If you spend time, every problem is solvable, right? Yes, guys. Next, Lambda KPI. Given already? Lambda KPI. Lambda KPI. Lambda KPI. Save it. Next. Tell me next one. Debugging. Debugging. Already GitHub I have given, I know that. But I would like to give all in one place, guys. I would like to give all in one place. Debugging. Next. Log4j. SL4j I taught, but plain log4j also I want to give. Plain log4j also I want to give. These are not there in syllabus out of my interest. Since I have videos I am sharing with you, right? SL4j in your syllabus. Agile Jira, right? Agile Jira. Not here. In the video URL, you search for Agile Jira. Agile Jira. Agile Workshop, Jira Workshop. Agile Workshop, Jira Workshop. Nice, guys. Video URLs.txt. Okay. JUnit. Unit testing I talked, guys. Monitor, Mockito I talked already. Project release process. What process, guys? Project release process in real time. Say paste. Okay. What else I can give? Project release process in real time. Do you know IT industry? What is that? IT industry. Okay. Oh, it should be searched here, right? Knowing IT industry, guys. Okay. IT industry. Do you know? Video URLs. What is that? Knowing IT industry. Oh, not coming. Tools used in build process. Here in video URLs only, guys. Wildfly server, Genrix, Spring Basics. Yeah. Do you know IT industry? Yes, guys. No, I talked about IT industry a lot. Right, don't neglect. These are very useful videos, guys. Right. Save this document. Otherwise, let me say save as, what is this? Video URLs. What, guys? Video URLs. Fine. Okay. Super, guys. Chiki, I already said, boss, tomorrow onwards some other schedule is there. Please watch it. Without watching, you are dancing. That's my problem. Those who watched Jira, I hope you enjoyed Jira tool, guys. Okay. Yeah, today is the last class, guys. Super, guys. Tell me. Let me give further communication details to you people. Right. In the same document, I will try to keep, guys. In the same document, we try to keep, guys. Okay. Fine. Chiki, you can mail your queries to me. No problem. I'll submit my details with you. Please, I have been asking from so many days. So you can mail your queries, please. Yeah. So this is the document now, right? Okay. My details. Yeah. What is the email ID for communication, guys? Natraz Java Arena, right? At gmail.com. Okay. Now, Facebook group. What is the Facebook group? Okay. Facebook group. Right. In my system, there is no Sarare NO no Ra Babu. Please Ra Babu. There is no Hyper-V. Then it will come as a setup file. You have to download and install. Okay. Facebook group. Same na boss. Natraz Java Arena. Right. Natraz Java Arena. So I decided to give some phone number also, but it's not only WhatsApp, please. No calls. Okay. 9866182334. Only WhatsApp. Okay. WhatsApp and okay. Don't ping again and again. Don't ping again and again. When I see, I reply. Okay. Because I'm taking class, I will be in the meeting. Okay. For that reason. Yeah, you can send your errors, no problem. Again, I will reply when I see. But don't give this number for counseling, boss. Sir, I completed graduation. What to do next? Please, let's use for professional purpose, not for what? Counseling purpose. Okay, na? Fine. So this is there, guys. Okay. Thank you. But mainly JRT batches, all these are in pipeline. Okay. Maybe in first week you will get the clarity about the batches. But if I put in this folder, it's a waste of time. We have to upload to Google Drive. Let me upload the document to whom, guys? Google Drive. Where is this? Natraz.